Now we're going to move on replacing and installing a new faucet. Tools you need for that are either a basin wrench or a sink installer like this. For this situation, I'm going to use a sink installer. What you need to do is under the faucet, you're going to find 2 nuts on each side, right where your supply lines connect to. And with the tool, go ahead and loosen those plastic nuts. Once they're loose, you can, by hand, take them off. That's what your nut looks like. You gotta take the other one off as well. Once the other one's off, you can pull your faucet out. Here. That's what the bottom of your faucet looks like. Now we're going to go ahead and install the faucet. When installing the faucet, take these 2 nuts out. Every faucet's going to have something like this. Plastic seal. When you put it in, you want to make sure you put plumber's putty all around here, on the edges only. If you grab your plumber's putty and you get something like this, you can guide it to all around it. Make sure it connects, and that'll make a watertight seal as well. And go ahead and grab your faucet, put it in the slots, grab your plastic nuts, grab the second one, and hand tight, get those nuts all the way as tight as you can, and then you can use your tool again. Once they're both hand tight, go ahead and use your tool and make sure it's tight.